It's right here. It's 18 Mile Creek. Look. It's right up over there. Like right up over there.
So this is what it looks like when there's not much water back here. And I am going to try catch a creek monster on a creek monster. Where do you think he's at? Fish up against that wall right between them?
Probably. We're going for big fish. He's got a big crawdad, big catfish set up with 25-pound line. I got 15-pound braid on my Muck Smash bass rod.
All right, I know where he's at. Yeah, I seen that earlier. I think you're right.
It's either a pickerel or a very small.
Yeah, but it's the wrong shape for our gar.
It's got a pretty round nose.
Yeah, buddy. Get him up. Yeah. Let's go.
Catfish.
Oh. Well, we know there's something in here.
Caught a nice little catfish here. He's dirty because he was flopping around in the dirt for a minute, but got him on the crawdad. Just threw it in and he hit it really fast. We'll throw this little guy back.
What I just do is in the like thick of it.
The hard stuff?
Yeah, like where it's such a bait and everything.
Yeah.
Like that.
That's what I got on right now. Just a small little crawdad. All right. So I'm fishing over here now, next to the bridge, and we're just gonna toss it out there. That's where I caught the catfish. So we're gonna see if we can get something. Alright. Put the crawdad on there. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere real quick. Alright. So the way you want to fish a crawdad is you want to just start out straight out over you want. Anyway, so you just want to throw it wherever you want it, and then you want to very slowly just jig it a couple times, jig it one time, and the fish will kind of nibble, and then they'll just destroy it. Bass, catfish, pretty much everything, worms, crawdads. The smaller ones catch more, the bigger ones catch bigger ones, but not as many, usually. So, take one more cast over here. That's it. This is really cool because this is the first fishing video. Whoa, massive frog just jumped. So this is basically just a creek running off a hartwell, and there's bass and catfish. It's called 18 Mile Creek, and it goes a while. And we were fishing under a local bridge that had to do some recent construction or something. And it's proving to be a good fishing spot. This is the first time I've fished here. I've been here before, but I've never fished here. Checked it out one time. So right now I'm fishing crawdad on the small to medium side, and that's also what I caught. I caught the catfish on a pretty small crawdad. As I said, it was like the second I threw it in, immediate. It was awesome. Catfish, I definitely put up a pretty decent fight too. Go up onto the bridge here. Alright. Alright. Sorry guys, we're having to use the phone light here. Just gonna set y'all up. About there. I'm just gonna put them right here. So. This is where my dad was fishing earlier. He didn't have any luck with the big crawdad, but I'm going to throw out my small crawdad. Hopefully, have some luck. Ooh, I might be able to get me bumped. There's already a bunch of fish over there, and I don't know what they are. I think they're just bluegill. But I think there's also some bass over there. 3000 lumen flashlight right here. This thing is great. It's a Ryobi. It works amazing. We mainly use lights for crawdads and hunting them. Sorry y'all, I know the lighting is not good here. Missed him again, y'all. I missed him again. I'm gonna get straight back out there because I did not hook him. Alrighty guys, I just saw. Oh, there he is. I see him. There's a massive gar. Goliath gar. Absolute Goliath. This is on the dimmest mode on my 3000. He's moving.